Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add email signatures on Gmail. I'm going to show you three different ways. One is the basic Gmail functionality, and I'm going to show you two different services which allows you to make your signatures look much more professional. So the first one is how can you add a signature in a Gmail. So over here you can see create a compose email, and what you can do is at the bottom of the screen what you can see is this pen sign. So click that pen sign, insert signature, and you can see I've got all this signature stored up. So I'll use one of my startup router emails. So if I click that, you can see it comes up with a professional looking signature with my name, what I am, email address, website, and everything. And you can see what I've got here as well is custom links. So what I can do with those custom links, again you can see all of these places I have got custom links, and the benefit with that is I can essentially track the signatures or track all of the links. So if somebody clicks on any of those links, I would know that they have clicked those emails, those particular links. So based on this, I can actually see that okay, is somebody clicking on LinkedIn more, Instagram, or Twitter, and that way it will help me understand if I'm having a follow-up conversation with them, or see where essentially they want this thing going. So how do you create a email signature like this? I'll show you another one just to before I sign off. So another one is I've got a website called DesignWiz where I sell digital planners, and again you can see I've got a different signature for it with different footers. So yeah, so let me show you how you can do this. First one is quite to be creating a basic Gmail signature. So the way you can do that is just click on that signature sign and click manage signature. You can do the same by going into settings. It takes you to the same place. So if I go on, just close that, yeah, it's come up in the background. So in the settings, if you go general, you'll see all the signatures. So simple as creating new and SV video test signature. Yeah, that could be, so you can create a basic signature. You can even create quite advanced signature using this, to be honest. So I'll say kind regards, Savanjas, and I can also attach an image here. So I'll just simply upload one of the images, and so I've got the logos on my computer already, so I'll just select one of those. There we go. And what I can also do with this is I can select that and add a hyperlink. So if I select this and add a hyperlink, I can simply add a hyperlink here. So if you haven't signed up to my newsletter, please sign up to my newsletter. The link is in description, or it's startuprouter.substack.com. Now here's what I do. Actually what I do is I actually, any links I put in my email, I add a trackable link. So what I do, for example, here is I'll just do startuprouter.substack.com. so that's the website I want people to be redirected to. So what I'll do is I'll take that link and I'll go to this website called bit.ly, and it is essentially it's a link shortener. So what it does is essentially tracks all my traffic from wherever. So what this link shortener does is it tracks all the links. So if somebody clicks on the link, I will know which country they clicked the link from, what device were they using, when did they use it, time, and all sorts of details. So I put that link in, And also you can use it if it's like a really long link. You can simply use this to make the link shorter. So Substack, yeah, and I'll save this email. So yeah, so just save. Yeah, obviously I can customize it, but maybe I should. So if I say SV Substack, save that email, there we go. Now I got the email. So now if somebody goes on this link bit.ly.substack, you can see it's redirected. Okay, going back now, so I'll just copy the link and then put that wherever the image is. So copy that. There we go. So I've copied that back in the Gmail and then press OK. There we go. So now it's a hyperlink redirecting to that. So that's it. That's one way to do it. Obviously you have to make sure that you click save changes, and then if I go on inbox, click new, and then now I should be able to see the new link, new SV video test signature, boom. And then if I click the link, it's taken me to the newsletter. Now what you can also do, so what you can do is, now this should be a good test. So what I'll do is I'll refresh this page, and it should, you know, if I open that link analytics, I should be able to see where the click has happened, where the link has been opened, all those kind of details. Let me close this first. Okay, so now you can see it's already logged the one click, at what time. It tells me yeah, where it's clicked from. It was from an email, United Kingdom. So there you go. So you can actually track where the link has been clicked from. So if you're sending bulk emails out, then this is a really good idea. The second option I'm going to show, where I've created all my links, is actually HubSpot. So if you just search HubSpot email signature, I show you. HubSpot email signature, there you go. You will see this link, free email signature template generator by HubSpot. So I've got this open already, but that's essentially where it will take you. You can see my previous email link that I've already got here. There we go. So all you need to do is just fill in the forms. You select the template 1, 2 or 3. See, it will automatically resize it. That's the one I've used, but you can resize it the way you want, depending on how long or big your signature you want your signature to be. I didn't want the signature to be really big, so that's why I used this one. Simply edit your text information, and you can also put your profile picture in if you want, using the Google Drive link. So I have put the startup router link on Google Drive. All you need to do is make that link public, and then that's all you need to do. You can change the colors as well. You can change the colors to any other color you want, and once you are done, all you need to do, and just click create signature. Click create signature. Don't need to worry about this is just for the stats, but that's it. Confirm and submit, and all you do is click copy signature. It says copied here on top right, and you can do add to Gmail option, but I know where I'm doing it. So all I do is go here, insert signature, manage signatures, yep, sorry, it's come in the background. There we go. And then create new, test, create, and then all you do is paste that signature in. Yeah, so you can see all that signatures come in here with that new background. That's all. Again, save changes, and that's all you need to do. There's another website as well called mail-signatures.com. I'll link both of these in the description below. So again, very important, professional signature makes you look much more professional, and it definitely helps the engagement. So make sure you have all the signatures. The reason I have multiple signatures here is what I've got is I don't want to save that, so I've just discarded those changes. But what I do is I have to increase productivity. To increase productivity, essentially I have compiled multiple of my emails in the same one, so I don't have to sign in and out into 5 different applications. I can just manage everything from here, send it as a different recipient. So for example this, and then all I need to do is change the signature based on what I want. So hope you found this useful. Please use the links below, and please subscribe to the newsletter and the YouTube channel. So please, hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to the newsletter as well as the YouTube channel. Please hit the like button. I'll do some more videos on the Gmail tips. So please stay tuned and watch the playlist. Thank you.